Sometimes pirates offered a choice: join us or face what comes next. Pirate crews were different from royal navies. Many operated under agreed codes. Loot was divided according to fixed shares. Some captains were elected by vote. Compensation was sometimes given for injuries. For a desperate prisoner, this offered a strange opportunity. Join the crew and you might gain protection, food, a share of future plunder. But joining meant something else. It meant participating in raids, boarding other ships, pointing a pistol at someone just like you, becoming what you once feared.